Hello everyone. Welcome to my class Eureka. Today our topic is squares and square roots of numbers. What is square of a number? Square of a number is the product of the number multiplied by itself. Like 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 7 multiplied 7 equals 49. Let's find the square of 14, 29, 54. Square of 14 equals 196. Square of 29 equals 841. Square of 54 equals 2916. Let's know some facts about square of numbers. If you look at the table which shows the squares of numbers, any number ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8 cannot be a perfect square. Any number ending with the only 0 in the ones place cannot be a perfect square. A perfect square can be represented as the product of its equal pair. Let's take the number 64 and factorize it. We see that 64 is represented by 3 pairs of 2. Hence 64 is the square of the number 8. Let's see some more examples. So if we can see that 576 can be factorized in this manner. Hence 576 is the square of 24. 1225 is the square of the number 35. 4225 is the square of the number 65. 2601 is the square of the number 51. Now let's find if 432 is perfect square or not. In the given number, there is no pair for the factor 3, so 432 is not a perfect square. So to make it a perfect square, we either divide or multiply the number by 3. 432 divided by 3 equals 144, which is a perfect square of 12. 432 multiplied by 3 equals 1296, which is also a perfect square of 36. What should be multiplied by the number 10,125 to get a perfect square? Let's break up 10,125 into its prime factors. We see that the factor 5 does not have a pair. So 10,125 has to be multiplied by 5 to make it a perfect square. 10,125 times 5 equals 50,625, which is a perfect square of 225. Now let's learn something about square roots of numbers. If square of 4, or 4 times 4 is 16. Then square root of 16 is 4. Similarly square root of 25 is 5. Let's find the square root of 625. We can see that the square root 625 is 25. Let's find the square root of 194481. The square root of 194481 is 441. Let's find the square root of 196 upon 361. If you look into the working of the sum, you will notice how 196 and 361 are represented by their prime factors. We see that the square root of 196 upon 361 is 14 upon 19. Let's find the square root of 7.84. Like the previous sum, we need to break the numbers into their factors. We see that the square root of 7.84 is 2.8. Hope you enjoyed the session and learned about the method of finding squares and square roots of numbers. In the next video we will learn about finding square roots by division method.